Hey YouTube, Tim Eckert here. In this video, we're going to go through a do now I had for my Algebra 1 fundamentals, where they're using the substitution method, setting y equal to y to solve the system of equations. So since both of these equations equals y, we can take one of these and substitute it in for the other y. So what I could do here is I could take this value here and substitute it in for y here. So what I can do is I can say 2x plus 1 equals 3x minus 5. I then want to get x to one side, so I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides. I'm going to get 1 equals 3x minus 2x is x. These cancel. Minus 5. Okay, to solve for x, I'm going to add 5 to both sides. And I'm going to get x equals 6. And now I can solve for y by substituting in 6 for x. So I can say y equals, if I take this equation, 2 times 6 plus 1. 2 times 6 is 12, so we have 12 plus 1, which is 13. So my solution here is 6, 13. All right, let's take a look at another one. Second one here, we're going to solve, again, using substitution. I could say this value here, I could put this in for y here, so I can say x minus 4 equals negative x plus 4. I want to get my x's all to one side, so I'm going to add x to both sides. So I'm going to get 2x, these will cancel, minus 4 equals 4. To get the 4's over, or the minus 4 over, I'm going to add 4 to both sides. And I'm going to get 2x equals 8. If I divide by 2, I get x equals 4. Now I can take that value and put it right back in here, so I can say y equals 4 minus 4. So y equals 0. So my solution here is 4, 0. Okay, that's problem 2. Problem 3, we're doing the same thing. I'm going to take this here, put it where y is here. So I'm going to say negative x plus 3 equals 2x plus 9. Okay, I want to get my x's to one side, so let's add x's here, or add 1x to both sides here. These cancel. I'm left with 3 equals 3x plus 9. I'll subtract 9 from both sides. These will cancel. 3 minus 9 is negative 6 equals 3x. I'll divide both sides by 3, and I'll get negative 2 equals x. I'm going to take that and put that back in here, but a negative of negative. So I'm really going to say y equals, well, the negative of negative 2 plus 3. So the negative of negative 2 is actually 2 plus 3. That's a pretty bad 3, but 2 plus 3 is 5. So my solution here is negative 2, 5. Last one. I'm going to take this value here and put it right into y here. So I'm going to say 2x minus 1 equals 3x. I'll subtract 2x from both sides. These will cancel. I'll get negative 1 equals x. I'm then going to take it and put it back into this first one. So I'm going to say y equals, because it's easier, I only have to do the multiplication. So 3 times negative 1. So y equals negative 3. So my solution is negative 1, negative 3. Kind of rushing through lunch hour to get this one done. All right. Anyways, that's the solution for that one. If you like this video, like and subscribe. Questions, leave comments in the comments below.